Are you ready to transform your home coffee experience? In the world of coffee aficionados, nothing quite compares to the rich, bold flavors of a perfectly brewed espresso. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a casual coffee drinker, the right espresso machine can elevate your morning routine and unleash your inner coffee connoisseur. With an overwhelming number of options available, choosing the best espresso machine for your needs can be daunting. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best espresso machines on the market, delving into their features, performance, and value to help you discover the perfect machine to create cafe-quality espresso right at home. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5, Casabrews CM5418, our pick for best budget espresso machine. If you're on the hunt for an espresso machine that delivers quality without straining your budget, consider the Casabrews espresso machine, CM5418. This machine impresses with its durable metal construction and sleek design, making it a worthy addition to your kitchen. You'll find user-friendly buttons on the front that allow you to easily choose between single and double shots, as well as a steaming function, perfect for crafting your favorite beverages. One standout feature is the pressure gauge, which provides a visual cue to help you achieve the optimal brew, while the portafilter may feel a bit lightweight. Remember that it's a minor drawback given the machine's overall value. Plus, it's something you can upgrade down the line. In terms of performance, the Casabrews CM5418 produces flavorful, full-bodied espresso, especially if you pair it with a quality coffee grinder. Although the steam wand might not match the advanced capabilities of pricier models, it efficiently froths milk for delightful cappuccinos and lattes. You may notice a slightly longer preheating time and some noise during operation, but the end result is well worth it. For budget-conscious coffee enthusiasts eager to treat themselves to great espresso at home, the Casabrews espresso machine CM5418 is a practical choice that will elevate your coffee experience. Number 4, Breville BS870XL, our pick for best espresso machine for beginners. As a beginner barista, you'll appreciate the perfect blend of automation and manual control that this espresso machine offers, letting you feel like a professional while simplifying the process. Equipped with a built-in coffee grinder, you can play around with grind sizes, allowing you to tailor your espresso shots to your unique taste preferences. While there may be a slight learning curve to tamping the espresso, it's a rewarding experience that will help you build your skills. Our kitchen pros have tested this machine at home and found it to be incredibly intuitive. In fact, one of our analysts successfully learned to make espresso shots and froth milk using this user-friendly espresso maker. A standout feature is the low-pressure water system, which gently wets and expands the coffee grounds at the start of the shot, ensuring a beautifully even extraction. In essence, this machine grants you the barista experience without the confusion often associated with brewing espresso. It's an ideal choice for those looking to enhance their... Number 3, Nespresso VertuoPlus, our pick for best capsule espresso machine. If you're seeking a convenient way to enjoy exceptional coffee and espresso at home, the Nespresso VertuoPlus could be the answer you've been looking for. This user-friendly capsule machine is crafted for simplicity and ease of use. With just a gentle press of the lever, the lid opens and closes effortlessly, allowing you to immerse yourself in the joy of brewing your favorite drinks. The standout feature of the VertuoPlus is its intelligent brewing system, which reads the barcode on each capsule to ensure your beverage is prepared to perfection. You have the choice of 5 drink options: espresso, double espresso, gran lungo, mug, and alto, perfect for your travel mugs. Every cup you brew is served hot, bursting with flavor, and topped with a delightful layer of creamy foam. The machine's versatile design, complete with a movable water tank, makes it easy to fit into any kitchen space. Plus, Nespresso prioritizes sustainability, providing a recycling program for used pods and producing their latest models with 54% recycled plastic. Ultimately, the VertuoPlus combines quality with affordability and offers minimal cleanup, allowing you to focus on what really matters, savoring each sip of your cafe-quality coffee right at home. Discover the pleasure of premium coffee experiences without the hassle with the Nespresso VertuoPlus. Number 2. Bialetti Moka Express, our pick for best stovetop espresso machine. Are you looking for a convenient and budget-friendly way to enjoy delicious espresso-like drinks at home? A Moka pot, also known as a stovetop espresso maker, could be the perfect solution for you. While it doesn't produce true espresso, this classic brewing method offers a concentrated, full-bodied coffee that's ideal for creating frothy cappuccinos or creamy lattes. The Bialetti Moka pot is a favorite among coffee enthusiasts for its reliability and performance. However, you'll find various brands that meet your specific needs. To achieve the rich flavor you seek, use super finely ground coffee beans, akin to those used in espresso machines. Coffee experts, including Ken Nye and Marco Suarez, say Moka pots are a fantastic alternative for homebrewers aspiring to replicate the experience of a cafe-quality drink. While the concentration might be slightly different from that of a professional espresso machine, the taste is remarkably close. Even beloved actress Isabella Rossellini swears by her Bialetti, relying on it for her daily espresso fix. Imagine savoring your own strong and aromatic coffee, made just the way you like it right in your kitchen. If you're ready to elevate your coffee routine and want a hassle-free brewing experience, consider trying a Moka pot. You might just discover a new favorite ritual. Number 1. Breville Bambino Plus, our pick for best espresso machine overall. Are you on the hunt for an espresso machine that can consistently deliver a high-quality shot with a luscious crema? The Breville Bambino Plus could be the perfect solution for you. With an impressive 3-second heat-up time, you can enjoy your delicious espresso in moments. What truly sets the Breville Bambino Plus apart is its automatic milk frother, which empowers you to create cafe-quality lattes and cappuccinos effortlessly. You have the flexibility to adjust the temperature and texture of the milk, allowing you to craft a drink that perfectly aligns with your taste preferences, making each cup a personalized experience. Additionally, the machine features adjustable pre-infusion settings, enhancing the overall flavor extraction for richer, more robust espresso. Some users have mentioned minor concerns about the portafilter sticking after pulling a shot, but the consistently delightful espresso this machine produces is hard to overlook. If you prioritize convenience and reliability in your coffee routine, the Breville Bambino Plus is an excellent choice. While it may not offer the extensive customization that some high-end espresso machines do, it compensates with outstanding ease of use and consistently delicious results. Indulge in the pleasure of brewing a perfect espresso right at home, elevating your daily coffee experience with the Breville Bambino Plus. That's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which espresso machine you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.